back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now.
With another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Hey girl.
Hey family. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Come on now. Hey family, how are y'all doing? Boss Mom is what? Back with another video. And today, family, I will be having me some corn on the cob. And I got me some potatoes in the building. So how y'all been doing, family? I hope everybody's been having a blessed and positive day. And I hope y'all ain't been letting nobody steal y'all joy. Don't let nobody steal y'all joy. Because Boss Mom ain't gonna let nobody steal her joy. I love y'all so much. I thank y'all for all the love, support, positive comments. Thank y'all for sharing my videos. Y'all are my soul family. And welcome to my new subscribers. I see y'all and I love y'all as well. So I'm about to send my grace and I'm about to dig in. Amen, amen. Yes, family, I got me some corn on the cob, sweet corn on the cob with it's hot too, with some good old hot potato. The best corn smoking. I'm telling you. That sweet corn. I don't want no other corn. Because this sweet corn is where it's at. Man, with this sauce, it makes it even better. How y'all day been going? Man, potatoes hot. Potatoes is hot. Mm. Man, this be so good. You don't even be want to wipe your mouth. Well, I know I don't. I wait for all that. Mm. Lord, this how you supposed to clean a corn on the cob. Ain't no other way around it. I'm gonna try to get to these potatoes, but these bad boys nice and what? Hot. They nice and hot. Hot, hot, hot. But we're gonna try to go ahead and bite it. Mm. 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 Oh Lord, it's breaking. Mm. 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 Well, guess what? I got on a black shirt right there. So if some get on there, oh well. You gonna be able to see it like that. Cause y'all know. Y'all, this potato hot. I should have let this potato cool on off. Mm. Mm. Before I even tried to. Mm. Ooh. Excuse me. I think I got some. Damn, I think I got some corn juice on my glasses. Lord, have mercy. Let's just wipe it like that. Hopefully, it'll be out. I'll clean them when. I finished. Mmm. Mmm. It's spicy too. Big tomato, potato. Hot, look. Hot. This can get very, very messy. Put this right here. Family, but I love this so much. You can do different. You can have corn and potatoes. You can have shrimp and corn. You can have lobster and corn, crabs and corn. Different stuff you can have in this good old sauce. Potato broke. My potato broke. It broke. Or you can have you can have mussels. Look at that potato. You can have mussels and man, you can have a lot of stuff. Cause I be doing a lot of stuff with this stuff. When I finish eating this, I'm going to sit in the yard. I'm going to sit in the yard and catch some of this fresh air. You know? I know I had 2 corn and I think a half a potato. How many potatoes I got? Oh Lord, it's broke. I got this potato right here. That's, oh Lord, it broke. It broke. Mm, 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 mm. Man, that sweet corn hit. It's better than that unsweet corn. That's some nasty corn. Them little bitty ones. Unless you put it in, that ain't nasty. Cause all you gotta do is put you some, heavy whipping cream in a pan with some butter and put some, honey in there. And put your corn in there. It'll taste just like sweet corn. I think I'm done. I am done. It was a quick little video, family. But I'm done. And woo! Ass full, ass full. Ass full, said the pig. That right there, that do get you full though, for real. It gets you nice and full. And I ain't eat nothing else because I'm full. But family, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to all of my videos. And just to know, Boss Mama love y'all so much.